Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video, we are going to be drawing a super cute and
donut.
Yeah, super cute, super happy donut. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. But before we get started, we're going to need a few drawing materials. Supplies, yeah. We're going to need a marker. Yeah, something to draw with.
And you can use anything.
Yeah, you can. Also something to colour in with. We would like to use markers as well, but you can use colouring pencils.
Oil pastels.
Yeah.
Markers. Pencils. Crayons.
Yeah.
And paint.
All those sorts of things. And finally, we need some paper to draw on as well. Probably the most important part. Alrighty, so you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. Alright, so we've got our donut here and we're going to make him super cute and super happy. So we're going to do a nice big circle. Yep. So we're going to draw a semicircle first. Yeah, so let's just start here. I like to start at the top. I'm just going to turn my paper slightly on an angle. It just makes it a little bit easier to draw the shapes.
Yeah.
I'm just going to stop here and then we'll do one on the other side there as well. Alright. Good job. Yep. Okay, you've got it all around the way, that's fine. And then along the bottom here, we're going to draw the edge of the icing, and we're going to have a little bumpy shape on it. So I'm going to do a little curve like this, and another curve, and another curve, and one more. So we have about 4 curves. That kind of looks nice. That kind of is the edge of the icing. Looks like it's dripping down. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the rest of the donut, which you've already done there along the bottom. So we're going to make that follow the circle shape a little bit smaller. So that will sit underneath there like that.
It's kind of looking like a normal donut right now.
It is, but now we're going to put some details on it.
Like hands, eyes, cheeks, mouth, and legs.
Yeah, so let's do all the face parts first.
Yep.
So I think we're going to draw 2 big eyes in here. So we'll do them in the middle there, and make them nice and big. So
ovals.
Ovals. So it looks super cute.
Oval.
One like that.
Oval.
One on the other side. Yeah. And then inside that, we're going to do another smaller oval, or circle, up to you. These are the pupils.
Yeah.
And we can colour those in a little bit later. If you want to do a different colour, I'm actually just going to colour them in black. Like that. And if you have a white marker or a colouring pencil, you can add some highlights, and then we'll show you that later when we colour them in. Next part is we'll do the mouth. So we're going to do, it's going to have a big open smiley mouth. So we'll do a big U shape like that. And then we'll do another little curve on the top.
Line.
Yeah, like that.
And then do the tongue.
Yeah, and we'll do a little tongue on the inside, so that's just another curve like that. Like that. So he's got his mouth wide open, he's smiling, he's super excited. And then we're going to draw, I'm just going to draw some ovals here on his cheeks. It always looks cute when they've got little cheeks like that, and we can colour that in a little different colour as well.
Now it's time to do his arms.
Yeah, so let's do his arms. So he's kind of waving his arms in the air because he's super happy, super excited. So we're just I'm going to start on here. First of all, I'm going to draw a thumb
bump.
And part of the arm there. So it looks like a little J hook sort of thing.
But upside down.
Yeah, and then in here at the end of the thumb,
make another bump.
We're going to do another little bump. And that's just the palm of his hand there.
Now it's time to do the rest of his hand.
Yeah, we'll do the rest. And again, this is just another like a big J hook shape. We'll do it like that. And to make it look nice, we'll do it wide at the beginning and then narrow at the end.
And do the same thing on the other side.
That's right, we'll do the same thing on the other side. do the hook, do a little curve there, and then another one, like that.
Yeah, now it's time to do his legs.
Yes, because he needs to stand up. He can't just roll around on the floor, but he's a donut, so I guess he can. But yeah, let's do his legs. All right, so we're going to start at the bottom here. So we're just going to do a nice little curve like that, and it's his foot.
And it looks like a shoe.
Yeah, and then we do another curve here at the bottom, which is his heel, going up. There's a bit of a curve joining up to his body.
And then we do another curve.
Yeah, and then another curve on the other side to close off his leg. There we go.
Then do the same thing on the other side.
Do the same thing on the other side. And you can see if the leg, I've made it a little bit narrower at the top and thicker at the bottom. Again, it just gives it a nice shape, makes it look cute. Okay, so
now it's time to color.
now it's time to colour in. So we're going to fast forward this part and we'll see you back very soon. And we're back. So we finished colouring in and I think they look wonderful. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
Great. So I've made mine pink because it's a candy floss flavoured donut, and I've put some highlights in his eyes and on the side there so it looks nice and shiny. And what flavour is your donut?
Strawberry.
Strawberry donut. I can see you've got the red there, so that all looks very delicious. Well, thanks for watching. We hope you followed along and had lots of fun. And if you want to see more of these videos, just check out our channel. Otherwise, we'll see you again next time. Bye.
Donuts are making me hungry.
Yes, let's go eat some donuts now.